We're going to look at two different ways to solve the same type of problem. So this is a stoichiometry problem, which means we need a balanced equation, which I have written here. We're given 21.65 grams of glucose and asked for the grams of alcohol. So here's my stoich problem. I'm going to put 21.65 grams of glucose over 1. We need the grams of glucose, which we can get from the periodic table, 180.18, and that equals 1 mole of glucose. Now we can do the mole-to-mole ratio. There is 1 mole of glucose to 2 moles of alcohol. And then we need grams, so we'll convert the moles of alcohol to grams of alcohol, which is 46.08 when we go add up the molar mass on the periodic table. When we calculate 21.65 divided by 180.18 times 2 times 46.08, we get 11.07 grams of alcohol, which is letter B. The second method of solving this is using a chart. And it's usually easiest to go ahead and have the molar masses of everything in our equation already figured out. So here we identify the ratios with the coefficients. It's a 1 to 2 to 2 ratio. Then we take our given, which is 21.65 grams of the glucose. In order to determine how many moles that's equal to, I'm going to take 21.65 grams and divide it by the molar mass, which is going to give me 0.120 moles. Now, because this has a ratio of 2 to 1, that means that for every 1 mole of glucose, there is double the amount of alcohol. So if I take this amount and I multiply it times 2, I get 0.240 moles, which would be the same scenario for carbon dioxide since it's also a 1 to 2 ratio. There's 0.240 moles of carbon dioxide as well. Now, if I want to change this to grams, I'm going to multiply this value times the molar mass, which here would give me 11.0592 grams. And if I wanted to know the carbon dioxide, I'd have 10.5624 grams by multiplying this value times its molar mass as well. We want to know the grams of alcohol that was produced, however, so that would be this value, which is closest to answer B.